I'm going to prepare a vegetable kootu, cabbage kootu. Kootu, when we say in Tamil, it is a mixture of a vegetable with mostly moong dal. So this is a cabbage moong dal kootu. For the tempering, this is what we require: mustard seeds, urad chana, jeera, curry leaves, green chilli, about 7 to 8 garlic, and 1 medium sized onion. We'll use 1 masala dabba spoon mustard seeds, 2 to 3 of urad dal chana, and about 1 masala teaspoon of jeera. We'll cut them all small, fine, and saute it. That was for tempering. This is for the we'll pressure cook all this to ensure that the dal is cooked. About whatever requirement, about 1 cup of moong dal. I've taken about half a medium sized cabbage. Again, I will be using in this also some garlic. You can put it whole, and about 4 to 5 pinches of asafoetida hing with a little turmeric. You will pressure cook it just for 1 whistle so that the dal and the vegetable are cooked. We don't want it too cooked. We would prefer it grainy. That's what adds the texture to the kootu. So here we have the moong dal, 1 katori. The cabbage will be around 2 katoris or 1.5 katoris. Rough proportion is enough. And we always dry roast the moong dal and store it. It gives a very good texture when we cook moong dal. It doesn't become all mashy. And I've added about 7 to 10 garlic. I've added a big pinch of hing and turmeric to taste. After the first whistle, I keep it on sim and wait till the second whistle. As soon as the second whistle comes, I switch it off. This is how it looks at the end of it. We'll add the tempering to this and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, salt to taste. And it's good to go, very nice with hot rice with ghee. About 2 tablespoons of any refined oil. Let it warm and then first add the mustard, followed by urad chana, jeera, onion, chilli, curry leaves. So this is the quantity, how it looks: mustard, urad chana and jeera. The mustard has beginning to splutter. I'll add the curry leaves, onion and green chilli. So here we are. As you can see, the dal and all, it's not brown, it's just lightly brown. It should never become dark brown. It adds a burnt taste to the whole dish. I've added the sliced garlic and broadly sliced onion, green chilies, curry leaves, and we'll just fry till the onions become translucent and add it to the cooked moong dal and cabbage. We have added the tempering. I've added the 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut. I also add about half to 3/4 teaspoon of powdered cumin, jeera. I feel it enhances the taste better. Not everybody does it. I've added salt also to taste. It has to be semi-thick. Should not be either like a vegetable or like a dal. Be in between. This can be made with bottle gourd, snake gourd. You can make it with methi leaves also. So it's a wide variety and always called kootu. It's always a part of the thali meal that you will get. As you can see, the moong dal is holding its shape. That is very important. You can add about half a cup of water and make it more squishy if you want, or keep it dry. Depends on you. Both ways work. There's cabbage kootu. Tastes amazing.